Hello guys, I'm Dexter. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to use the base station. The operational procedures of the base station are as follows. First, when we hold this base station, we have to check if the mode light is off. If the mode light shows blue light is on, we have to long press the mode switch to turn it off. Secondly, we have to place this base station in a high place with no obstructions above, especially in a flat place. And next, wait for the base station to search for the satellites, and it will search for the satellites automatically. When the searching is finished, it will be a beeping sound and the mode light will flash again. And connecting this base station to the drone are as follows. First, we click on our agricultural assistant app. Next, click on mapping flying, and next click on the settings on the upper right corner. And after that, click the location. After click location, we have to change the data source to RDK station. Wait until the drone connects to the base station, and the drone will match with our base station automatically. When the whole process of connection and matching is ready, we can mark any points and do mapping with high accuracy. That's all for today's tutorial. Please subscribe our channel to unlock more crop protection skills.